Hello YouTube, in this tutorial we're gonna learn about references, and they are relatively similar to pointers in a sense that they will point to one variable. So variables will be targets of references and also of pointers, but we will use them in a different way for different purposes. Let me explain with a practical example. So first we need to create some variable, let's say this will be value. And now how to construct pointer? Well, you know that up till now, star and var, ptr to variable, and the target will be defined with ampersand and var. And now down there you can use this stuff. So let me just recompile this to make sure that I didn't create any kind of errors, and there you go. But this is for pointers, okay? And pointers will point to specific container when you are grabbing address. But right now references, they are basically aliases and not addresses, so aliases for that specific target variable. So how to construct it? Well, same data type on the left side, and check this out, ampersand immediately. So when we are dealing with pointers, ampersand was on the right side, but right now is on the left side when we are talking about references. So name for that thing will be, I don't know, variable reference, and now you will just say what the target is without any kind of special symbols on the left side or on the right side. So just remember that when you're dealing with aliases, with the references, here between data type and the name of reference you must use ampersand. Right, so let me print directly stuff like a cout var and the line, and of course we will get this value. There you go. But now we will get the same value using reference, which is defined down there. So let's do that. Cout and the var ref and line, and you will have same result. Okay, so everything is fine. And also we can get same stuff through pointers. Sure, we can combine those things. So down there let's use pointers, ptr var, and because we are doing dereferencing stuff, we must use star here to get the actual value. Okay, and now we will have 5555 3 times. There you go. And of course if you want to grab only physical address, you're gonna use pointer without dereferencing, so no star here. I do know that it's a little bit weird, but this is a C++, which is a low level stuff. So there you go, now you know that. Well, at least when you run into other people's code, you know what's gonna happen. You know what's happening when you see this stuff, so you know that we are talking about pointers, and down there when you have ampersand in the middle and nothing on the right side except the name of variable, then we are talking about aliases or basically references. So let me delete this stuff because it's kind of confusing probably for you if you're C++ beginner. So let me think about some other things here. Right, so first let's change value directly. We can do that like var equals 444, and now if we print these things we will get the same results like 444 using original name and using alias name, and that is reference. So let's do that, and there you go, we have a new value from last assignment. So can we change this thing through that thing? Well, sure. That's the whole purpose of references, like var ref equals I don't know, 33, let's say, something stupid, who cares. And now let's grab these things again to save a little bit of time, and we will get 33 2 times because these things are basically same containers, different names, but containers contain, well, same value. So let me run this stuff, and there you go. So that's the whole purpose of references. Just remember aliases, and there you go. So there is a chance that you are kind of confused with this. Just remember, when you work with pointers, ampersand will be on the right side, and when you work with references or aliases, basically ampersand will be on the left side. So that's about it. I'm gonna shut up. Thank you for watching, and see you next tutorial.